Hey, what's up everyone? How's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So in today's video, I'm telling everybody, Uber and Lyft drivers and all gig workers actually, about a way now to get paid time off. Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, and gig workers can now get paid time off. And this is money you don't need to pay back. And this comes in the form of a company called Cover. They're a new startup. They just got over $1 million in funding, and that's exactly what they're doing. They're giving drivers paid time off. It does start at $7 a month, but I'm gonna put my link down below. You'll get your first 30 days for free, and you can pause and cancel at any time. But just to explain it really briefly, essentially what they do is that if you ever get into a car accident, even if you're not even during a ride, but let's say you're an Uber driver or a DoorDash driver or whatever, and your car's in the shop and you can't work, they're gonna replace 80% of your income while your car is in the shop. And that money you don't need to pay back at all. So they have different levels. You can get up to 30 days of protection if you ever get hospitalized, even if you ever get temporary deactivated. Basically, they have a list of emergencies, and if you qualify, and I've already talked to a lot of drivers who have qualified, they pay out. Again, they replace your income. It's basically an income protection company, I guess, but they call it paid time off. So I wanted to make this video. And also another perk that they have is that if you ever feel sick and you don't feel like working, go ahead and take the day off and they'll send you $100. And that's just like a benefit for being a Cover member. They really value you as a member. They really do care about drivers. I've talked to them. So again, I'm gonna leave my link down below. We have a little partnership with them, and essentially you click the link and click accept my gift, and you'll get your first 30 days for free. You have to put in your credit card number at the beginning, sign up and everything, but you don't get charged until after 30 days. That's like how Amazon does it, Netflix, Apple Music, Spotify, all these free trial companies. That's how they do it. So yeah, guys, I just thought this was a super cool opportunity to share with all of you guys. So definitely check it out. Use the link down below.